Hey guys, Uncle Jay. Wanted to show you my black Sumatra. And with those, there's a little trick. I don't know if I can get it from behind, but they grow 2 fighting spurs out on each leg. And my Vader boy, let me see if I can zoom into his feet, but you'll see 2 spur holes in his feet if it zooms in. I don't know if you can see it or not. I can see it from me, but you should be able to see it from you. And I got Vader, Luke, and this would be Vader's son, which ain't totally black. He's got a lot of green shine in him. So I don't know what I'm going to put him with, but I'm pretty sure I'll figure it out. But ain't he a beautiful bird, huh? He is something else. I was out here and I had to get a picture of him for my stories on Facebook, and I'm too sexy for my feathers, too sexy for my feathers. I don't even know what to name you, bud. Maybe you guys want to leave in a comment what we should name this guy, because I'm not selling him. There ain't no way. So leave in the comments what you think his name should be. We'll pick one out. We'll pick one out, man. Are you crowing yet? You should be. He's usually so hard to film. He won't stay still usually. I'm not gonna bother you. I'm not gonna bother you, homie. There he goes. Let's see where he goes. You gonna go deep? Ooh, look, all the berries are coming in. And I got a million of these out here. Mulberries or something. I don't even know what they're really called. They're everywhere. Chickens get to eat that too. Alright, let's see what he's gonna do. There's more. I'm gonna make this tree up here chicken roost. They can all roost up there at nighttime. I just gotta trim some of that out. He's heading over here towards the pig pen. Well, he's going in the pig pen. What are you, shy? You look shy. You look shy, buddy. A couple more birds out there cleaning up the pig pen. Ooh. Mr. Phoenix. It's one of them Amayas. Got his butt feathers chewed out. Got his butt feathers chewed out by a dog. Okay, anyways, too, glad or hope you guys like this bird. Don't know what to name. You see the green in him? I don't know if y'all can see that. Man, you are one handsome dude, and the green goes all the way up to your neck, homie. Wow. You were so cool, man. I made you from scratch. And then we got some babies hatching. If you can see them. So this will be the next video with the babies. We'll do another baby and mama hen video once all these hatch. She still has to hatch the rest of them down there. So I figured I'd just leave her in here. So Another thing, if y'all have birds hatch up on a high perch, see, this is an old rabbit cage my buddy gave to me. You guys should know, or some of y'all might not know. So if they're up high like this, what happened was the wife found the chicks out there in the woods, right? I thought one of my hens got ate, and the chicks, you know, ran off or whatever. We heard them chirping last night. Caught 2 of them, 1 was left. So I had this door open. So I'm figuring what happened was them chicks come out, fell on the ground, and then ended up running out in the woods. So I came over, and usually what I do, I messed up and didn't check. I didn't think she was gonna hatch this quick. So usually when that happens at nighttime, I'll come out and I'll close this every night. And then the daytime open it so she can get out and, you know, drink and eat. But once the babies start hatching and you see heads, make sure you just close it and wait till the following day or 2 to remove the babies out so she can hatch all the eggs. Okay? And she ain't gonna leave anyways because the babies are there. She's not gonna leave. Trust me. So you can lock the cage for the 2 days and then bring them all out. Just a little advice for you. I screwed up and see, they ended up on the ground. I thought I lost a hen. So hope you guys enjoyed this video of that bird. If you guys want to leave comments for a name, I appreciate it. And I'll pick one out of the comments and we'll name it that. Okay? So everybody have a blessed day and stay safe. And we will see you next time. Bye-bye now.